Good morning. It is, let's see, 6:02 in the morning here at Quarantine Central. Fussy baby, got to get up nice and early today. So here's what we're doing today. Surprise, we're not in class. Um, so the kind of the few things we have to do next are really hard to do virtual. So not really sure what we're gonna do tomorrow. I'm still trying to figure that out. That's gonna be a today issue because I found out, last night about 7 o'clock that we're not coming back to school today. So today we're just gonna do a quick assignment. I'm gonna go over that in a second. The video will be here. The assignment is in Google Classroom. Please, please, please finish this video before you do that assignment. I'm going to explain everything. Then not really sure what direction we're going tomorrow because the next thing we have to do is study Chatalhuyuk, which is a very early farming village. And it's really visual and it's really hard to explain. So not sure how we're going to do that, but let's talk about today. Today we're going to make that transition from foragers, which we spent the last 3 days on, to farmers. And what we're going to do is we're just going to ask you a few questions. If you look, it says the transition to farming assignment is in Google Classroom. So if you go to Google Classroom under Unit 2 there, you're going to find, go back, what you do? You're going to find transition to farming questionnaire. This is not Google work. You're not Googling anything. Okay, this is for the first several questions, you should be able to use your notes. Okay, this is all stuff about foraging, and we've spent a lot of time on this. Matter of fact, if you've done a great job on your assignments this week, you probably don't even need your notes. Okay, you can probably just rip through these from what you've learned. Okay, then down here, this is from your brain. Okay, so you're going to think about these. So make 3 predictions about how life's going to change for humans with the use of farming. So we're going to go from hunting and gathering, foragers, to farming. So once we start farming, make 3 predictions about how life's going to change for humans, and none of them can be they're gonna be farmers. Yeah, that's in the question. Don't put that down. Okay. So 3 things are going to change about the lives of humans once we become farmers. Then up here we asked you what tools are they going to use as foragers. Down here, what are some tools that farmers are going to use that foragers did not? Okay, so how are the tools going to change? Remember, they're still stone tools. Okay, we have not left the Stone Age. They're still stone tools, but what new tools are farmers going to need that foragers didn't? And notice the plural. We're having an issue with plural, guys. If you see a plural, that means I need more than one answer. And by the way, 2 answers is a minimal answer. You're not going to get a lot of credit for that. So there should be a few answers here. Okay. So think of a job of a farmer. What kind of tools can they make out of stone? And then how will the homes of Neolithic farmers different from those of Paleolithic foragers? Okay. So 2 answers of how their houses are going to be different, or homes. I shouldn't say houses. They aren't even houses yet. But how are their homes going to be different than the foragers? You guys, this could be 5 minutes for you. Okay, so just do a great job. Don't barely answer the questions. Do your absolute best. Give me great answers so I can give you a great score. Okay, hopefully it's a nice easy day for you. Again, surprise, we're not in class. Hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, as always, just Gmail me. Okay, have a great day, folks.